Tired of that Crunch Fitness membership draining your bank account when you're not even hitting the gym? Let's get that cancelled, hassle-free. First things first, check if your Crunch location allows online cancellations. This is key, as not all locations offer this option. Head over to the Crunch Fitness website and look for a member portal or account management section. The exact wording might vary depending on your location. Once logged in, navigate to your membership details or account settings. Look for a section that mentions cancellation, termination, or membership changes. Carefully review the cancellation policy before proceeding. Understanding the terms is crucial to avoid unexpected fees or complications. You'll likely find a cancellation request form. Fill it out completely and accurately. You'll need to provide your membership number, full name, and a reason for canceling. Be specific and honest. This can help speed up the process. After submitting the form, you should receive a confirmation email or on-screen message acknowledging your cancellation request. Keep this confirmation for your records. It's proof that you initiated the cancellation. Now, here's a potential hiccup. If your location doesn't allow online cancellations, or if you don't see an option on the website, you will need to contact your specific Crunch Fitness location directly. Some locations might require a written cancellation request sent via certified mail. Check your membership agreement for specific instructions, how to do this, and any applicable mailing addresses. Finally, remember that many gym memberships require a 30-day notice for cancellation. This means you might be charged for one more month after submitting your request. So plan accordingly. Make sure to follow up with Crunch Fitness to confirm the cancellation is finalized and that no further charges will be applied. That's it. You're free.